Hi, dear Aquarius. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general health, career, finances, love, and spirituality slash healing reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the rest of the month of July 2026. Keep in mind, this is general. This might or might not resonate. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Okay. So I'm not a medical practitioner or financial advisor or career counselor or anything like that. I'm just reading the cards. Take whatever messages resonates and leave the other part and take the messages as the guidance only. Not like, oh my God, this is going to happen, that is going to happen, my life is falling apart. No one can make your life fall apart but you. For your health, we have the Three of Pentacles. Your health is going to improve drastically as long as you are going to have a cordial connection with your health and maybe taking support, maybe taking help, or maybe taking advice from a good person, from a wise person, somebody who can help you on a deeper level to understand your problems and your issues is going to help you a lot. Your health is going to improve as long as you guys are going to have a great connection with your health or maybe taking help from somebody. Guidance is the wheel of fortune. Things are not going to be the same as they are right now. Things are going to shift and change when it comes to your health, and change is the only constant, especially if you are heading towards like your 40s or you're in your late 30s. You might feel like your body is changing, your energies are shifting, and things are not working out the way they used to. So adapt with the changes, adapt with the new energies. The more you are going to resist the changes, the more you are going to feel like in denial, the more it's going to be difficult for you to keep your health on track. And for your career, we have the Queen of Pentacles. You're going to enjoy quite a stable, secure, safe, and having a long-term potential kind of a connection with your career thing, whether it's job or your business. I do see you feeling quite stable, quite grounded, and quite happy because you are able to see a long-term future, a long-term situation within your current career dynamics. Okay, guidance here is the Sun card. As long as you're happy, as long as you're crystal clear, as long as things are working out, you are good to go. So enjoy your connection with your current career, enjoy the bond, enjoy the freedom, enjoy the happiness. Make sure you're going to remain grounded and realistic. That is for sure, that is required. For your finances, we have the King of Cups. Your finances are going to be quite okay, and you're going to feel quite peaceful and content from inside. And you're going to feel like your financial health is improving. Your investment or your saving plans are working out really beautifully. Even if there is going to be a little bit of up or down, you're going to be in this energy of knowing that everything is going to fall into place. So I do see you feeling quite content and peaceful and happy from inside, not showing it to anybody but feeling happy and content when it comes to your finances. The guidance here is the Ten of Wands. Do not take too much on your plate that you will not be able to manage or finish. Meaning, you might be having this urge or desire to invest in 100 things at the same time and getting very angry or pissed off if things are not working out. So don't do so many things at the same time. Whatever you're planning to do regarding your investments or saving, do it slowly, strategically, plan it well, understand the pros and cons and consequences of your action, then plan properly. Instead of getting so much burdensome energy of doing everything right now at once, try to take it step by step, or simply take help who can help you to guide through this process, because it is going to be difficult for you to manage it yourself if you are going to do it like 100 things or 100 saving plans or at the same time. For singles, we have the Four of Pentacles. You are going to hold on to something or someone very, very tightly. Like, this is very important for me, I'm never letting it go. Whether it's a belief system or a person, it's going to be a little bit of, oh my God, this is important, I can't let it go. That kind of energy. Therefore, singles, guidance here is the King of Swords. Until unless you guys are going to cut the crap out of your life, whatever you're holding on to, like this, things are not going to move forward in your love and relationship area. Simple as that. Until unless you guys are going to be crystal clear and in this energy of I should change certain things, or I should release certain situations or people or things out of my system, you guys are not going to be at peace. And the more you are going to be angry and pissed off with yourself, with the universe, the more the universe is going to give you more frustration and anger. That's how the universe works, because universe doesn't give shit. There is no universe out there. Everybody's universe is different. I'm not talking about physics. I'm talking about spiritual energies, right? So everybody's universe is different. They have different thoughts, they have different energies, and in your universe, you're pissed off, you're angry, and because you are doing that, you're getting more reasons to be like that. For those of you who are married or committed to each other or living together, we have the Eight of Wands. I do see a lot of communication happening, lot of clearing the air kind of energy with each other happening. If you guys are at a distance right now, I do see you guys planning to meet face to face, but lot of energy exchange, lot of communication, lot of calls, messages happening, and you guys enjoying the bond. Cool. Guidance is the Judgment. Okay, as long as you are going to focus on the positives, as long as you guys are not going to allow the negative side or negativities of the situation to make the situation go down, you are good to go. Okay, forgiveness is required, this healing energy and this knowing is required, that sometimes people or situations or things are not what we think they are. But as long as you guys are honest with each other, as long as you guys are in love with each other, everything can be managed. Okay, everything can be handled properly. For your spirituality or your healing journey, we have the Five of Pentacles. You guys are going to feel like no matter what you're doing, universe is not supporting you in your healing journey or in your spiritual journey. It's not like that. You might be going through some kind of dark phase. In healing journey also, dark phases are there a lot. Yesterday only I was crying like crazy, and I'm doing it from last 9-10 years now. Okay, it's not like the universe is not supporting you or something. There are so many things that you guys need to release and heal properly in order to stand up again and start walking again. It's not like the universe is punishing you or something. It's just the universe is showing you the mirror that these things need to be properly released and healed in order to be at peace, in order to move to the next chapter, to the next level, whatever it is in your case or in your scenario. The guidance is the Nine of Swords. The more you are going to stress over things that you cannot change, control, or do anything about, the more you are going to feel stressed out and blocked. It's just your own thoughts, it's just your own thinking, your own energy making things worse for you. Things are not that much bad actually, but your overthinking, your negativity, your focus on the negative side of the story, negative side of spirituality is actually making things difficult for you. They are not that much difficult, to be honest with you. Once you are going to face the situation head on, and you guys are going to be like, okay, no matter how many obstacles or challenges I'm going to face, I'm not going to stop. You are going to be amazed that the universe is going to provide you crystal clear energies. It will start providing you everything right in front of you. It's just a matter of facing the truth head on. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.